Honda Cars India is notorious for customer relations and not giving enough car compared to the money they charge. And Honda Amaze is no exception.
Honda Amaze. The power of dreams.
For instance, some models don't have air conditioner cabin filter, and let's fix that today. Cabin filter not Honda. A good quality cabin filter and the filter lid cost around 600 rupees. Although the lid price is standard, but the filter price depends upon the brand and type. You will need a utility knife or a box cutter to cut the filter box, and also some duct tape if you haven't been able to source the filter lid. In order to access the blower assembly, the glove compartment needs to be moved out of the way by pushing the locking pegs inwards on either sides or going over a pothole. Once the blower assembly is accessible, you will notice a very defined rectangular groove on the assembly. Simply follow the line carefully and cut out the lid. You will see space for the filter. Clean the area and install the filter in the correct orientation. Close and seal the lid with duct tape. Alternatively, use the filter lid from Jazz. It is designed to snap in, close the glove compartment and enjoy relatively clean air. You can also use PVC tape as Samara Honda Workshop does. That's how they fixed the airbag rattling noise in my car. True story. Next will be suspension held with duct tape. Thank you for watching, and before I leave, subscription to the channel will be amazing. Also kindly do hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye for now.